To fix a Rheem furnace error code 68, it's essential to understand that this code indicates a communication issue between the furnace and the blower motor. The furnace isn't functioning properly due to this lost communication. There are common reasons for this issue, along with solutions to resolve it. One reason is a control board malfunction, where the board has trouble sending or receiving signals to and from the blower motor, preventing proper communication. Resetting the control board can often resolve temporary issues. To do this, turn off the furnace at the circuit breaker. Wait a few minutes, and then turn the power back on, which can help the control board re-establish communication with the blower motor. Another reason is a faulty blower motor that may not communicate properly with the control board. If the wiring and control board are in good condition, replacing the blower motor might be necessary. To replace the blower motor, start by switching off the furnace and unplugging it from the power source. Then remove the upper and lower access panels. Next, connect the wires from the blower motor and the control board. Unthread the screws holding the motor assembly. Slide it out, and loosen the blower wheel to release it from the motor shaft. After that, install the new motor. Connect the wires to the terminals, and secure it to the motor shaft. Finally, reassemble the panels. Plug in the furnace, and turn it on to ensure the blower functions properly.